Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I'm at a different place just checking out the fireworks. It is insane. The camera might look blurry, so that's my fault. That was insane. The sun is like kind of still there. You can see the sun, right? The sun leaving, but yeah. Yep, crazy year. I'm doing like a 360, but since it's like kind of dark, you guys can't see. Oh wait. But yeah, either way, happy 4th of July, guys.